Alright everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's Benny here. So what we got going on today is a couple things. Basically the main thing is last night a bolt broke off from the prop shaft that connects to differential, and yeah, so the head broke off. So now the fucking, like, I guess you could say is the body or the whatever is stuck in there, so I have to get that out. And I got the new one right here, so I gotta do that today. So I'm gonna show you guys what's the dealio, and then I'll show you the other thing that's going on. Okay, so here it is. So this is what happened. See how this is in there, the screwy part or whatnot? Me. Focus on that. So that's right there. That's the end. That's where it comes out. There's the front. This is where the head broke off. This was loose. So this was hitting, making a lot of noise, scaring me, you know. And then there's some other ones that are loose too. I tightened them up last night, but they're still loose. So it's funny because I used Loctite on these so they look, like we can see right here. I can move it around. You can see that play. So I used Loctite on these. So it's weird how they got loose. These ones are like in there for sure. This is the front. I'm still gonna check them out. Another thing is my test pipe had broken right there, and I fucking did a quick weld just to have it on there, and it broke again. So I'm gonna take it off, and I think I'm just gonna trash this, or I don't know. But yeah, we'll see. Just put on the regular cat, but other than that, that bumper thing, look, fell again. So that's dragging. The bolts broke off, which fucking sucks. That side's good. I'm gonna have to do something to muck it up, to do something. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but so those are a couple things. Some bang bops. A couple things that I got going on. I'm gonna take each one off and then redo it. Put some like, put some of the, why the fuck is this locked? Why the fuck did I lock it? I got some of this Loctite right here. Some good stuff. Alright, so I'm getting this one out. I gotta spin it like so. Oh shit. Little by little with these vice grips. This is the bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it. This is part of the bolt. So if I line it up, so I'm thinking this shit snapped right here. This unscrewed and just came out, and this stayed in there. But we'll see right now. I'm gonna put it in real quick. Looks like it went in no problem. Oh shit. Hold on. Okay, looks like it's going in all the way. Took off the bolt, and looks like it has a whole bunch of grease and shit on it. I don't know, maybe that's a cause. I don't know why there would be grease in there, like, but maybe that's why they're like falling out. But I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna put some Loctite and then get it back in there. Same with the other thing. So I got the Loctite there stuff on there. Just put it on. I don't really know how much I had to put on, but I don't know. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna get it back in there. That's right. Hoping that's good. Alright, so I checked out the other ones. They're all kind of pretty loose. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to all other 6. And then, yeah. Alright, for some reason, I thought there was 8, but there's just 6. So I did all 6 already. I got it done. They're not loose anymore. So now let's move on to the front. I gotta take this off right here, but just so you guys can see what's going on. Look at that. Fuck. It's all bad, all bad. And I don't even know if I'm fuck, because I don't have the cat. I'd rather put on the cat. I don't want to be open headers. Ah, shit. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I got it off. I took it off. I was like, fuck it. This is what happened. Freaking broke. This is the 2nd time already. I guess it's just too much power coming out of the S, you know what I'm saying? It's too much power. That's done. So I'm just gonna leave it off for now. Fucking right now I'm gonna do an oil change, wash it up, does need a wash. And yeah. Fuck. I guess that's it for that. But anyways, thank you guys for joining me on that one. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.